And Jagannatha appears to us today through Kathak Nritya as Rohan Mushti, disciple of Kumari Daksha Swaminathan. Rohan comes to us as Jagannatha, and he will be taken and to be explored as Jagannatha by Ramya and Daksha.
A very blessed disciple of late Pandita Srimati Asha Joglekarji, who we fondly call Maushi. I was one of the very few disciples who was blessed to be taught directly by her. I was handpicked by her and trained even when she was paralyzed and on bed rest. Taking forward her blessings from Guru Purnima, we offer this very small interpretation of Jagannathji through Gat Nikas. Gat Nikas in Kathak is the art of using gait, which is how a person or an animal or a bird or anything can walk, what is known as charis in the Natya Shastra. The Gat Nikas is using multiple charis to illustrate a particular scene. We will be doing 3 different Gatnikases with Chiranjeevi Rohan Mushti. The first one, let us see if you can guess who this is. This is going to be in Teen Tal. The first one was Devi Subhadra. The next Gatnikas that we will be exploring is that of Balabhadra, the brother of Subhadra, the young boy who is known to be very good with agriculture, is known to be a very strong force to reckon.
And then the rest.
Balabhadra through Gatnikas. Balabhadra. The final exploration through Gatnikas is, of course, that of the Nila Madhava. According to the written scriptures as well as Puranic history, Nila Madhava is almost a parallel of Dakshinamurti. Dakshinamurti was the Adi Guru on planet Earth. Nila Madhava is a similar divine blue light energy, the master in a different parallel universe altogether. He promises through the Akashic voice, through the divine voice, that he will manifest on planet Earth as four energies: Jagannatha, Subhadra, Balabhadra, and the Sudarshana. A parallel of the beautiful surroundings of Nila Madhava can be explained or rather imagined as the beautiful Vrindavana. However, you want to take the imagination of Vrindavana and multiply the mysticism by at least 100%. Presenting through Gatnikas, Nila Madhava with his Sudarshan Chakra, his Morpank, and his Murli. Divine flute of this particular piece is by Vidwan J.K. Jayan. The divine Mohanam Bhupali was by Chiranjeevi Rohan Musti, who actually plays the flute.
Jagannatha
Lightning strikes with fire, energy, photons activate fire outside, in the heat, burning as fire, and within as the different kinds of distractions in life: kama, krodha, moha, lobha, matsarya, mada. Everything burns inside as fire and outside as fire. And then again, Madhava and his flute calm the world, heal the world like the rain fire. Calm, Venunad, Mad.
ವೇಣುನಾದ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀ. Jagannatha lives as Jagannatha, as the Daru Brahman, as basic, and tries to be that Maha Jagat Guru to take us all aligned towards him. Radha Munta Gopiyaril Radha Munta Gopiyaril Madhusudananim Nanu Sevisute Madhusudana Ninna Sevisute Radha Munta Gopiyarel. Radha is a higher conscience state who can very easily align with Krishna. But all the gopis, all the Vanaras who came in the Treta Yuga with Rama come as the gopis in Dwapara Yuga. In Ramayana it is said, when Sri Rama takes avatara and comes, Mahavishnu comes as Rama, every being in the celestial loka comes down as, even be it Vanara, Pakshi, Maram, Chedi, Kodi, whatever that is, they come to be and live with Rama, just to be with him. Even the stones, those are the stones who become the Rama Setuve. Similarly, when Mahavishnu comes as Jagannatha, Sri Krishna in Dwapara Yuga, all the Jiva Rashis, all the celestial beings also come. They become the female energies, the Apsaras come as, all of them as the Vanaras, the Gopikasti, the Gopalakas, the Devas come as the Gopalaka, and everything around him. Gopika, Jivana, Manohara, Ramana, he's called. Whatever that they are doing, they just leave everything just as it is to align with him. The cows forget to graze, the gopis forget to do their chores, be it even nursing the child. They either run along with the child while nursing to him when they hear the flute. Sudana ninnanu sevitutire Suraru. The higher conscience Deva beings, the Swara Lokavasis, the Swaras, the Suras, the higher conscience achieved state of beings as the Swaras are traversing with him and aligning with him in the Ambara, in the higher conscious space, whereas the Apsaras, all the feminine energies, you can see this Apsaras, the ladies who, the feminine energies which came as the manifestation from the ocean bed, Apsaras. Up is water, Saras is flowing, that which is perennially flowing, the feminine energies who came to serve Lord Apsaras, three. They came as the feminine manifested bodies. Ocean can be taken as the male energy, and river and all the tributaries can be taken as the Apsaras who come as the gopis. Apsaras, they come, all the Apsaras, all the rivers run finally to that one supreme. They all go and merge in the ocean, just as we all merge with Jagannatha. Apsara striya bharatire Yadava Raya Vrindavana Venunadava Madutire. What is this Vrindavana? Tulasi Vana, Koili Vana. Jagannatha Swami, as the Daru Brahman, once in 12 years, Jagannatha in Puri is very much treated as living with all of us. The Puri Jagannatha, once in 12 years, is given just to make people understand the soul travels, but the body is Nashwara. The Sachala Brahman, the Nirguna Brahman, the Achala Brahman, when it becomes the Murti, every year when it is summer, between the months of June and July, the deities in Jagannatha Puri, Jagannatha, Shri Krishna with his brother Balabhadra and Subhadra, all the three of them are given holy bath because it is so hot that they want to be given a cool experience. 108 pots of water being poured on all the three of them. They all are bathed in cool waters. Imagine someone bathing in so much water and living in so much water when it is also hot. What happens? Jaladosham pidichirum. Adudha agum. All the three of them, Balabhadra, Subhadra, and Jagannatha, suffer cold, Jaladosha, and fever. Oh, my dears, how would you treat them? They need rest. So they are put in quarantine for 14 days. no darshan. Nobody is allowed to go to them. They are sent to the Anusara Ghar, where they are kept. They are given healings, treatment, and they are served very simple khichdi food to heal and come back. 15 days later, after the quarantine, they become rejuvenated and are ready to mount the Ratha, to go on a holiday. Yes, after becoming all right, they are ready to travel now. Just as the world heals, just as Jagannatha has healed himself and has traveled on his Ratha Yatra, let us hope the world heals soon and we will also be able to travel across the world just like him. Along with his siblings, he traveled. So he travels on the Ratha for 9 days to his Gundicha Ghar, to his Maushi's Ghar, to his Nani Ghar, enjoys the feast served there. Who doesn't like to go to Nani Ghar? All of us like. So Balabhadra, Subhadra and Krishna also go on the Ratha, which is made new for them in all their resplendent grandeur, that they become rejuvenated, repainted after the 15 days. They enjoy, and after the 9 days, they are in the temple with all the puja and back into glory. That being there, once in 12 years, Jagannatha, the Swami, all the four of them, Sudarshana, Balabhadra, Subhadra, and Jagannatha, are given new forms with the Brahma Padartha instilled in them. It happens in the night. The 4 neem trees are chosen. For the Sudarshana, a neem tree with 3 branches is chosen. Balabhadra, 7 branches are chosen, in which there is an impression of hala. For Sudarshana, the tree is so chosen which has an impression of the chakra, Sudarshana chakra. Balabhadra is Jnana Swarupa. He is the manifestation of Jnana, Shiva. Subhadra is a manifestation of Shakti. She's placed on the Shakti Yantra. Balabhadra is placed on the Shiva Yantra. For the idol of Subhadra, the neem tree with 5 branches chosen, which has the impression of Shakti in it. For Jagannatha, the dark colored, reddish brown colored, deep colored tree is chosen that has 4 branches, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma, with the impression in the tree of the Chakra and the Shankha. Such a tree is chosen. The bark is carved in the Brahma Padartha instilled, and the Jivanodharana happens in the night. Even the priest's eyes are closed, because as soon as someone sees, it is said that the person is given moksha. So they are prepared, and what happens to the previous Murti? He is taken and buried in the Tulasi Vana. So Jagannatha is very fond of Tulasi Vana. Yadavaraya Vrindavana Golu ವೇಣುನಾದವ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೀ ಕರದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಳ್ಳಲ ಊದುತ್ತ ಮಾಡುತ್ತ. His breath is translated as the swara sarigama padani ಸ್ವರಗಳ ನುಡಿಸುತ್ತ. Hari, Hara, Brahma, all of them align. Brahma comes as the quintessence, the Brahma Padartha. Hara is Balabhadra, Shakti is Subhadra, along with Mahavishnu, Jagannatha as himself. Hari Hara Brahma nalidadutire tumburu narada padutire. Every being on Bhumi and Swaraloka celebrates Jagannatha. Aravinda Dalanayana, beautiful big eyes of Jagannatha. Aravinda